Today I'm doing an upgrade of my VMware vCenter server appliance. It's November 16th, 2012. We have a look over here in my ESXi vSphere client view of my vCenter server appliance. You'll see I'm on version 5.1, and yeah, that's the interface. But to do an upgrade, extremely simple. Let's just go and log in with our browser, point to the host name, the name of the vCenter server or IP address, and go ahead and log in. And the update button is right up here. So assuming you have DNS configured, we can click check for updates again, although it already showed us one because I already clicked that button in the past. And that build number is what you saw. This is the build that's available. Click on details. And there we go. So we're moving from 5.1 to 5.1.0.8 tonight. And there it is. Just click install updates. Am I sure? Yes. Now let's see how long this takes. Quick look over here. We should be able to get an idea of performance. Okay, so sorry, a little tight for space there, but we're looking at real-time network throughput, and we're getting about 3 meg download going there. Sorry, wrong slider bar. This one, there we go. And we just kind of wait. Actually, back to that graph here, we can show you a little more, and that is if we scroll down, there you go, getting an average. So basically, it's just cruising along, downloading the code from VMware site, and we wait for it to complete. A couple things to point out while we wait. Over here in this view again, if we go back to console view, or if we right-click on the VM, say, if we really want to, we could take a snapshot before we actually do the upgrade, okay? In my case, I have backups. It doesn't take me very long to install. You may decide not to bother with a snapshot. But best to shut down, do a snapshot, and then boot it up if you'd like. Protection and an ability to easily roll back if you find some quirk or some annoyance on this new version. Always a good idea to grab a snapshot or have a complete backup of the virtual machine. Another thing to point out while we wait is that I logged into ESXi tonight. I didn't log into vCenter. Why? Because I'm updating vCenter itself. I want to be able to freely reboot and see what's going on. So just pointing that out, that again, I logged in, I typed in ESXi host when I used the vSphere client to watch over things tonight. Let's have a look at performance again, give ourselves something to look at. Yeah, I can slide that up. Cool. That's good. That way we'll know if something's happening. I don't want you to miss anything. Back to performance. What do we got? Still pulling down code. All right, I've come to the conclusion that not much is happening and that maybe the browser just needs like a refresh, because I went through here looking at performance of the vCenter VM. Let's just head down this list. Just hit down here actually. Data store doing nothing for a while. Disk doing nothing. Memory use has leveled off and not moved for many minutes. Certainly the network download took from 9:16 to 9:24. So that's done. So really, I think it finished a while ago and it just didn't tell us. Oh, here we go. Never mind. So we just missed the final screen where, well, without clicking on anything, it just went back to this. Okay, so sure looks good. You can see the last install, 5-hour offset. Okay. So if we click check updates now, it should say none available. So there you have it. We're on 5.1.0. We're on the latest. It's obviously running. It logged right back in. I didn't have to do anything. So yeah, I'd say that was pretty easy to update. Notice the install update button is grayed out as well. Okay, so hopefully you found this video helpful, and I thank you for watching.